In this video, you'll learn how to customize project dashboards in Stack Build so your project data works for you instead of overwhelming you. By the end, you'll know how to turn a standard project view into a focused command center that shows exactly what your team needs at a glance. Start by signing into Stack Build and opening the project you want to work with. Inside the project, go to the dashboard. For many accounts, the dashboard is the default landing view once you enter a project. If you don't see options to edit or filter, check your permissions. You'll need editor or admin access to customize what appears. Otherwise, you'll only be able to view what's already set up. Next, decide what you want the dashboard to show. Dashboards in Stack are driven by the data already in your project, and you control that view by selecting sources and applying filters. Think about the questions you want to answer quickly. Do you need a workflow status summary to see what's moving and what's stuck? Are you tracking open versus closed issues to measure progress? Maybe you want recent daily reports so the latest field notes and updates are front and center. Photos and recent activity can also give you a snapshot of what's happening on site. Depending on your plan, you can include cost or estimate summaries to keep an eye on budgets. The key idea is that every tile should earn its place by answering a real, recurring question. Now for the most important part, filters. Filters control exactly which records appear in each dashboard section, and this is where relevance really comes from. Set a date range to keep the view timely, such as this week, the last 30 days, or a custom window for a specific phase. Choose a status like open, in progress, or completed to focus on active work or confirm closure. Filter by who an item is assigned to, whether that's a specific user or a trade, to support accountability. Use category or type to separate inspections, RFIs, punch items, or any custom groups you use. Apply priority if you want urgent items to rise to the top. Combine filters thoughtfully. Start broad, then narrow them until the noise disappears. For example, filter to show only open issues due this week that are assigned to electrical. Instantly, your dashboard becomes a daily action board for that team, making stand-ups faster and follow-up clearer. If something looks missing, double-check the status, dates, and assignments, because filters are often the cause. Keep your data updated and keep your filters intentional. That's how you turn a basic project dashboard into a powerful project control tool. With the right data and the right filters, your dashboard becomes a live snapshot of what matters most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips to help you manage projects smarter and faster.